You have several options available to you when working with multiple documents inside the program. You'll notice I have 3 documents open: vermontbarn.jpg, landscape.jpg, and lighthouse.jpg. All 3 of these images are available in the Chapter 1 folder. You can use whatever documents you want to use, however. Basically, what I'd like to do is just show you how you can manage different documents that you have open. First of all, you'll notice that each document is separated out by a tab, and this is very similar to any other Creative Suite product. You can move through the documents by simply clicking on the tabs, and if you want to change the sort order of the tabs, simply click and drag them into the new location. If you wanted a document to be a free-floating window, you also have that option. Just click the tab and drag it away from that docked structure. When you let go of the mouse, you'll notice it becomes a free-floating window. If you have more than one free-floating window, you can dock multiple images in one free-floating window. Let me show you what I mean. If I click and drag landscape and let go of it, it now is a free-floating window, as lighthouse is. What I can do here is drag lighthouse from the title bar, and notice if you place it inside of landscape, you get a blue border around the document window. When you let go of the mouse, you now have a tab structure within the free-floating window. Now, if you want to return these documents back to the tab structure, just drag the entire window into the tabbed area, and now you have the 3 tabs again. Additionally, you have some options in terms of how you can arrange these documents. Under the window menu, you can choose Arrange, and notice all these different little icons and options. These little icons are kind of representing how the document window will be divided up based upon the open images. For example, if you go with 3 up stacked, you can see that the window gets divided based upon that little icon. And you'll notice that the options available are only going to work for the amount of documents that you have open. For example, 4 up and 6 up are not available because we don't have 4 or 6 images open. Notice you can also control how they float based upon these commands here. You can float all in windows, meaning you get the free floating windows. If you want to return them back to that tabbed structure, choose Consolidate All to Tabs. Now, when you're working with multiple documents, it may be nice to see all of them open at the same time. If you come over to the Arrange menu again, you can choose something like 3 up vertical. Now we can see all 3 images at the same time. Additionally, if I come over here and zoom in to Vermont Barn or zoom out, remember the keyboard shortcut is Command plus or Command minus to zoom out. If you're working on the Windows side, it would be Control plus or Control minus. So here I zoomed out to 66%, or roughly 66%. If I want all the other documents that are open to also be 66%, you can come back to the window menu, choose Arrange, and notice you can choose Match Zoom. And you can do that for various properties. You can do it for rotation, location, so on and so forth. So just understanding how you can work with multiple documents inside of Photoshop can ultimately make you more efficient. If you have more than one monitor, it's nice to know that you can drag a tabbed document and make it a free-floating window, giving you the ability to move that to a separate monitor. So there's a lot of options for working with multiple documents inside of Photoshop.